Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a TikTok link to your Instagram bio. So first things first, you're going to have to go to TikTok to get the link to your account. So go to TikTok. And once you're loaded up, go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, click on the three bars in the top right corner. Once you click on the three bars in the top right corner, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, when you're here, click on Share Profile, which should be at the bottom of the account section. And then once you do that, copy the link. Once you have the link copied, go over to Instagram. Now, once you're on Instagram, go to your profile and click Edit Profile for your Instagram account. Now, once you do that, click on Links. It should be at the bottom of the page. And once you go to that, click on Add External Link and add your TikTok to it. The title doesn't really matter, so put whatever you want. Once you do that, click Done. And once you click Done, it should be in your Instagram bio. So as you can see here, I'll test it out. And when I click on it, it brings me to my TikTok account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will see you guys next time.